Welcome to NetWitness 12.5, New Features Training. In this video, we will discuss NetWitness Live community content. First, log into your NetWitness Live. Once you log in, you will see three tabs: NetWitness, Community, and the newly added My Content tab. Click on the My Content tab to see all the content added by this account and two options for adding new content or deleting your existing contributions. To add new content, click on Upload Content. A new pop-up will appear with 4 steps, some of which might include required fields. The first field identifies the resource type. This version only offers logged device and event stream analysis rules. Name and description are also required fields that you need to populate. Then, you'll need to upload the raw file. The last required fields in this step are the contributor's name and email address. Input validation is enabled for these fields. Only proper values will be accepted. Another option is to use the default name and address of the account from which you're logged in. Once all the required fields are correctly populated, the Upload and Continue button will be enabled, and you can proceed. The next step in uploading content is defining the content. The only required field here is industry. In this step, you can also select MITRE tactics and techniques. Techniques are disabled by default until a tactic is selected. Once a tactic is selected, you can choose multiple techniques. Now, you can proceed to the next step. The next step in uploading content is adding the relevant dependencies to associate it with the content. You can search for any content and sort the results by name or creation date. Please note that this is an optional step, as highlighted. To proceed to the next step, you can directly click Save and Continue without adding a dependency, as in this demo. The final step in uploading content is to review and confirm. In this step, you double-check the added fields in all the previous steps, such as name, file, and selected type. If you need to, you may go back and make any necessary changes. You can accept the terms and conditions and start the upload if all is set. Note that there is a link for the terms and conditions. If you click on the link, a document opens. This has the terms of service for upload and download. Make sure to review these details to understand all the terms you agree to. Finally, click on Save and Upload to upload your content. Once the upload is successful, you will see the newly added content under the My Content tab. The new content status will be under review, and there are several validations that your new content should pass, the first of which is the validation for malicious content, which checks the uploaded content for malicious files. If the content passes the validations, its status will be published. Otherwise, the status will show failed, and you will get a notification for the status change. Please note that you cannot download content that is under review or failed. If you click on such content, you will see it cannot be downloaded as it is under review. You can only download published content. To download published content, select it, scroll to Terms and Conditions, accept them, and click on Download. You can also download additional content other NetWitness users upload from the Community tab. Once published, you'll see your content here as well. The last option in this demo is to delete any content that you uploaded. To do so, head to the My Content tab. Select the content, and click on the Delete Content button. A confirmation message will appear, and the content will be deleted if you confirm. Please note that currently, only single content deletion is available. That's all. Thank you.